Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, experience the magic that fills the air. Our students' talent, dedicating passion, and hard work shine through their every note, step, and brush stroke. ಇಂದು ಈ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಹಬ್ಬದ ರಸದೌತಣ. ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಲ್ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸವಿನಯ ಆಮಂತ್ರಣ. ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗೆ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಹಾಕದಿರಿ ಕಡಿವಾಡ. ಇದುವೇ ಹಲವು ನೃತ್ಯ ನಾಟಕಗಳ ನಿರೂಪಣೆಯ ರಂಗಾಯಣ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಾಡೋಣ, ನಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕುಣಿದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸೋಣ. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome the young anchors on the stage, Parinita and Likita. Please give them a big round of applause.
Respected parents, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. It's my privilege to welcome each one of you present here to the colorful and diversified cultural meet. It gives me immense pleasure to host the much awaited event of our institution's annual day, Ananda Taranga 2024-25. Good morning one and all present here. I am Likita B.
And I am Parinita H. Gowda.
And we are from class 7.
Being at the threshold to start the program, it is time to unfold our horizons and rejoice in the simple pleasure that life has bestowed with. Cordialite is marching towards an extra mile in the momentous task of molding the minds of children through holistic development. Cordialite always strives hard to blend their children with simplicity, creativity, humanity, and of course, with humility.
As Cordialite looks forward in the comprehensive achievement of the children, so says our annual day, Ananda Taranga. Ananda is the mixture of bliss, happiness. Taranga is the sensation of a delight and pleasant vibration. In a nutshell, Cordial Ananda Taranga is a combination of the various types of entertainment, fun, frolic, visual, and auditory delight. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to dive into the mesmerizing realm of performances that we have been working tirelessly over the past month.
Yes, Likita, it is indeed a double blessing for the audience and the performers. Welcome dance is the language of soul. A powerful music infuses energy into every organ which culminates in the movement of entire body form. This divine spiritual rhythmic movement is a form of poetry which illuminates the very being in the society. Be ready to enter the cosmic world of Lord Ganesha to receive the positive vibrations as the dance form will leave you hypnotized, which is going to engulf this ambience into a state of trance. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamarakarna Vilobita Sutra Vamanaruva Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinashaka Vada Namaste Vada Namaste Vada Namaste Dikuta 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 Tarirakata Udagida Kinadaga Dodo Dagada Dodo Dagada Dede Mushika Vagana Modaka Kata Chamarakarna Vilavida Sutra Mushika Vagana Modaka Kata Chamarakarna Vilavida Sutra ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಉಗ್ರ ವೀರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
ದಿಮ್ಮೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತೈ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತೈ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತ ತ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತೈ ತೈ ತಕ್ ಕೆಡದಗ ತರಗಿಡ ಧುಮ್ ತಂ ತಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಂ ತಂ.
We thank Manjula ma'am to guide these children. So give them a big round of applause. Very well organized. Thank you, children.